Hi everyone, this video is an introduction to subtraction. In subtraction equations, we use a symbol called the minus sign. When you see the minus sign, it means you are getting smaller, not getting bigger. This is the opposite of addition. I have 3 counters. If I take away 2, the number will get smaller. This is an example of subtraction. We can represent this with an equation. I have 3 counters, then I take away 2. I have 1 counter left. The takeaway or minus symbol tells us we are getting smaller. We're taking away from our original whole group and making a smaller number. If you don't have counters to show a subtraction problem, you can draw a picture. Here's an example. 5 minus 2 equals, draw a picture of 5 circles. Take away 2 of the circles by crossing them out. Determine how many circles you still have left. 5 take away 2 equals 3. Try another example. 7 minus 4. Draw a picture to help you. Draw a picture of 7 circles. Now take away 4. Determine how many circles you still have left. When we do a subtraction problem, remember to put the biggest number first. This is important in grade 1. It won't be true always, but for grade 1, put the biggest number first. Instead of drawing a picture, we can also use a number line. Number lines show us the order of numbers. In the past, when we learned addition, we counted up or forwards on a number line. The numbers got bigger as we went. When you do a subtraction problem, do not count forwards. You're going to be making your number smaller. You must count backwards. You can make your own number line if you don't have one at home. Let's show an example. 9 minus 2 equals, let's draw a number line. We have 9. We're taking away 2, so we will count backwards on our number line. I jumped backwards 2 spaces. I need to count backwards. The number that comes before 9 is 8. If I jump one more time, the number that comes before 8 is 7. When I start at 9 and I count back 2, I land on the number 7. You can use your fingers to help you keep track of the number you land on. Say the bigger number, or the one you start at. Do it in your head. And now keep counting. But instead of counting forwards, count backwards. 8, 7. I held my fingers up to remind myself I was jumping backwards 2 times. And the last number I said is what I landed on. 8, 7. Try this next example. We'll make a number line. 11 minus 3. Let's make a number line. Notice the minus sign. We will count backwards, not forwards. We're jumping back 3 spaces. Think about what comes before 11, since we're counting backwards and getting smaller. Think about what comes before 10. Think about what comes before 9. We landed on the number 8. Use your fingers to keep track of these jumps. Say the number you're starting at, the biggest one. do it in your head, and now keep counting. 10, 9, 8. 11 take away 3 equals 8. This time I'm going to add fewer labels and do more of the counting in my head and on my fingers. 15, take away 2. Here's my number line. I know I have to count back twice. 14, 13. Let's see if it worked out. 14, 13. I was correct. Try this one on your own. 9 take away 3. Can you do it in your head? Can you jump up? Hold up your fingers for each jump you make. Say 9 in your head and then keep counting. Count backwards, not forwards. 8, 7, 6. Good luck practicing.